Hello and welcome to Box, and today we'll be taking you through using the Xbox Game Pass directly through your TV using Samsung's exclusive gaming hub new for 2022. Getting a Samsung TV in 2022 has just become incredibly interesting for the avid gamer. This year, Samsung are introducing the all-new Samsung Gaming Hub into all of their 2022 models, offering more than just the usual game modes and features. It now gives you a dedicated space for all things gaming, letting you keep up with the latest trending news and title releases, as well as having direct access to the most popular gaming services for streaming games directly from your TV without needing a console or PC to run it. Samsung's crowning feature is the ability to log into your Xbox Game Pass account and stream the full game library through the cloud with no install or storage needed. So how does it work? It's pretty straightforward. All you need is a 2022 Samsung TV, the latest update on that for accessing the gaming hub, a speedy internet connection, and your preferred Bluetooth game controller. Turning on the TV, you'll find the quick access bar along the left-hand side of the TV. Scrolling down to the games controller icon, selecting it opens up a full-screen games hub. From here you can launch straight into the Xbox Game Pass app, opening up the entire library just as you would see on the app on the PC. As mentioned earlier, there's no installation needed to play the games. Simply find your game of choice, open it up and press the play icon and it will launch the game using the cloud gaming beta system, streaming the game directly using a strong internet connection. Of course, this feature is still in its early stages and will of course have a lot of teething issues, especially if you do have a poor or inconsistent internet connection. But put this setup in the most optimal situation and you could potentially have a brilliant alternative method for playing the latest games console free. On top of this, it does require purchasing an Xbox Ultimate Game Pass, which retails at around $10.99 a month in the UK, which, considering that the Game Pass includes hundreds of titles, it's definitely worth considering the cost, knowing that you can try as many games as you like with little risk. I hope this clears up any questions that you had about using the Xbox Game Pass in 2022 Samsung TVs. But if you need to know more about the latest tech, don't forget to check out our other videos on the Box channel, including more information on everything Samsung Gaming Hub. And as always, thanks for watching.